Hi everyone, so I said in the previous video that I'm going to demonstrate this scenario. That means both LEDs should be on at the same time, and after 1 second both LED should be off. Okay, so and I want this scenario to repeat continuously. That means on 1 second, off 1 second, a blink of 2 LEDs in number 7 and 8. So since we have had a clear thorough look at the code, and yes, and I'm going to I hope you will be doing it with your Arduino and 2 LEDs physically. That means real Arduinos and components. Since it's a YouTube video, I'm using Tinkercad platform to simulate this environment because yeah, that's easy to me. So I don't want to, as I already say, I don't want to more focus on these demo and stuff. So I just want to more focus on this code and this code logics, because once you understand how to connect the things and run, then the most important part is the code, right? Coding logics, whatever the coding techniques or whatever, right? So I'm just copying this code and pasting and going to run this. I have already created a what do you call a worksheet or circuit or simulator circuit or whatever. So I will open the code. I'll paste my code here. I have pasted my code. It was already pasted by me. Anyway, I have again pasted and so you see this one LED is connected to 7. You see this, okay, and then another LED is connected to 8. Okay, just don't worry about these connections. Just think about your connection. Now it's like this code is uploaded here. So I will do a simulation and see. Our scenario is both should be on for 1 second and both have to go off for another second. So you'll see. Let's see. Okay, you see both are on for 1 second and both are going off for another second. You see? Can you clearly see, guys? Obviously you can, right? So that is our scenario, right? According to a code. So if you just have a question on that, I can try to change the time delay if you feel like it is, not that much fast. So I will change the delay as, I will change it here and replace. Okay, so I will change the delay as 500 so that you can see a quick blink, and here also 500, just for eye-catching purpose. So I copy it and I bring it here, I paste it. Same code, only the time delay is different. Okay, I'll give a start, minimize the code and starts. Now you see the blink is a bit faster, right? So forget about the delay. So the scenario is correct, right? So what I want you guys to do is try some other scenario, something like this. Just use this logic that I used. Okay, so you can try this. Do this, guys. First scenario, you can use 2 LEDs. Okay, so you can try like this. First LED should be on, okay, and the other LED should be off at the same time. So this should happen one time, and after 1 second this should happen for 1 second, and after 1 second first LED should be off and the other LED should be on, second LED on. Okay, so yes, so you can revert it also and try that if you want. Does not be a problem. Very simple stuff. First one should be off at the initial state. No, that doesn't make sense. Just do this. Just try to do this scenario, and you can try to do it in your what you call real Arduino. Just the coding logic change, small fixes, right? And also use this thing before you are writing the code in the real Arduino environment. Okay, just write a code flow or time related code flow like this and convert it into code later. Okay? And don't forget this mentioning this output or input, because that is very important. I already said it. Inside the void setup we have to mention a particular pin we are going to use as an output or input. Then go for this digital write business. All good, right? So guys, I will catch you up in the next video with something else, some more knowledge. Until then, guys, have a great day ahead and try to do the practicals. And even you can think about a practical on your own, like what I have given, and try it on, right? And I mean work on it. So guys, have a great day ahead and consider subscribing us, and stay safe, guys. I will meet you in the next video, guys. Bye.